Storms Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the T-Mobile Revvl 7 5G for Metro by T-Mobile. So the Revvl 7 is not here at Metro. It is not available in the Arctic gray color, 128 GB of storage there. So you guys can see the phone right there, front and back. Very nice looking phone. It looks very nice, and yeah, this is like the 7th generation of the Revvl series, so that is pretty cool. So yeah, you guys got your teardrop natural front facing camera there. Back to front has your triple camera system, camera flash T-Mobile logo there on back. Left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. Back of the front, I just mentioned triple camera system, camera flash T-Mobile logo there on back. Right side power button, volume keys. It looks like the power button is a fingerprint sensor as well, so that is pretty cool. So yeah, you can get the Revvl 7 for free if you guys, bring your number and whatnot. It's free if you guys bring your number over the Metro, so not bad. And then for retail price of the phone is $199.99, so not a bad deal either way you guys go, Features of the Revvl 7 has a 50 megapixel wide camera, 2 megapixel macro camera, and then the 2 megapixel depth camera on the back, 8 megapixel front facing camera, 37 hours of talk time, 24 days of standby time. It has a 20:9 aspect ratio, Full HD plus display that's 2048 by 1080 pixels. Other features include a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, most likely an octa-core chipset, 6.58-inch Full HD plus display, triple camera system, 5,000 mAh battery, 5G of course, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC, so you can use your Google Pay on here and whatnot, and hearing aid compatibilities of course. So it says that the T-Mobile Revvl 7 5G delivers the ideal balance of reliability, strong performance, and feature-packed goodness. It slides 6.58-inch Full HD plus display and adaptive 120Hz refresh. Makes streaming your favorite shows even better. Captures share-worthy pictures with the Revvl 7's triple lens camera, and never worry about storage with expandable memory. Micro SD card sold separately, of course. The large 5,000 mAh battery, fast charging battery, keeps you powered through your day. Experience all the great features of the Revvl 7 5G at an incredible price on the nation's largest and fastest nationwide 5G network, so that's pretty cool. And here's a YouTube short on the Revvl 7 5G. Y'all all guys can just click the video and watch it on the and watch it there, so that's pretty cool. Specs: the Revvl 7 has a 5,000 mAh battery, Type-C charging, of course, a headphone jack, which is very nice to see. Connectivity options: Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABG and AC, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC. Has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset. Android 14, I believe it has on here. Android 14, correct me if I'm wrong on that. Has 6 GB of RAM, 2 TB of micro SD card expansion, 4G LTE 5G, support email platforms there. Wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot, of course. The Revvl 7 weighs 7.27 ounces. Dimensions on the Revvl 7: 6.59 inches height, 3.05 inches width, and 0.36 inches depth. What comes with the Revvl 7 is, of course, your Revvl 7 5G smartphone, Type-C cable, quick start guide, safety and regulatory information, terms and conditions, and your SIM ejection pin. So you'd send stuff in the box there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Revvl 7 is not here at Metro. It's available now for free if you guys put your number over the Metro, and it's $199.99 for retail price. So doesn't matter which way you guys go, it's definitely worth checking out. Nice looking phone, and nice features for what it is, and yeah, it's a nice looking phone, and yeah, definitely worth checking out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.